Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to remove vinyl from a t-shirt. So basically, if you clicked on this video, you probably just messed up your shirt and now you're trying to figure out how you're going to get this vinyl off. So I have two ways of showing you how to do it. The first way is like the ghetto way, and it's quick and fast in a hurry, and then the other way is the better way that I like to do it. So I'm going to show y'all the quick and fast way first. Alright, so my heat press is warming up. It's going to take like 4 to 5 minutes, but in YouTube time, that's like 2 seconds. Alright, so the heat press is warmed up and we're about to press this onto the shirt. So if you can read this, then go do that. So let's press this onto the shirt. And this heat press is about 8 seconds. So we're going to do that. Alright, so we got this on the shirt. And let's say that we want to remove the smiley face that's on the shirt. So remember I told you I was going to show you the getaway. So the getaway is to take your shirt and to put the part that you want to remove on the shirt on the heat press. So you want the part that you want to remove on the heat press, so on the heating element of the heat press. And then you want to get like what do you call this? You want to get like one of these Cricut tools or like a tweezer or something like that, so that you can pull the vinyl off once it's on the element, heating element. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick like this. So as you can see, the smiley face part of the design is on the heating element and it's hot. So I'm going to warm it up on there. And you're just going to let it heat up. Whew. Maybe I need to take this off. So I need to take this Teflon sheet off for a second. And like I said, we want to remove the smiley face. So I'm going to try to get the smiley face on the heating element. Alright. So the smiley face is now on there. And I'm going to just try to pull for it to come off. This is why I say this is the getaway and I don't like to do it because it's risky. So I'm going to heat it up and start to pick at it. And as you can see, your vinyl starts to come off. So I'm gonna do that same thing for the eyeballs of the smiley face. So let's get the eyes. And it has to be on the heating element. It's not gonna work if it's not. So we got one of them. And guys, if you can access an iron instead of using your giant heat press, that will actually be better because the iron is so much smaller and you're not dealing with so much heat. Alright, finally, we got that off. That's why I say this is the ghetto way, because that took us forever. But as you can see, the smiley face is off. This is not my preferred method, but I am going to show you guys the way that I like to do it. Alright, so let me put these clips back on here. Alright, so that was the ghetto way. Now I'm going to show you guys the way that I prefer to do it. And it's with this solvent. So this is it. It's VLR, so letter removing solvent. And I'm going to show you guys up close. And I purchased this off of Amazon. I know that they got it on All Stitch website as well. It's about like $20 or $22. And basically all you do is just pour it over wherever you messed up on your shirt at, and it comes right off. It's kind of like you compare it to like paint thinner. So let me show y'all. Let's say that I want to remove the word channel on the shirt. What you basically want to do is get your stuff, and it comes out in like little droplets. When you first buy it, the cap is going to be, you have to open it up and poke a hole through it. Like just poke a tiny hole, maybe with something like this or like a safety pin. So we're going to remove the word channel, and basically what you're going to do is just take this and put drops on it. And once that's on there, you're going to want to start to pull it. Just give it a little tug. And as you can see, guys, it starts to like do like this little weird like wrinkle stuff, like as if it's coming up off the shirt. And I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to flip the shirt inside out and put it down on there. And I'm basically going to do the same thing with the pulling at it. And now the pieces are really starting to come up. So I'm going to take my weeder and just pull them up. And you might just need to add a little bit more in certain areas. Like some of those areas came up really good, but like the C and the H, they still staying on. So I'm gonna flip the shirt inside out again and just put it over that part. Try to make sure you only get it in the area that you want to remove it. And I'm just going to keep on trying to pull, and basically I might have to put some more on here if it's just not coming up when I pull it. Alright, and basically it's all gone. It's not on the shirt anymore, so we don't even see the word channel. We do have a little bit of glue. If you can see this, it's like a little bit of glue right here. What I've seen other people do is just take like a cloth and add the solvent and just rub it. I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I got like a shop towel, and I'm going to add some of the solvent to the shop towel. And I'm just going to rub that area where it looks like a little white. So I really don't have like a suggested time that you should rub the area, just until I guess there's no more glue. And guys, after you use VLR, you can put new vinyl back onto the shirt that you messed up, even if it's over that spot. The shirt just has to be completely dry. You gotta let all the solvent dry out the shirt before you add new vinyl. So this is where we pulled the word channel from. And remember how it was like a little bit of glue? Now it's a little glue on there. So I'm gonna let this shirt dry before I go and put the word channel back on here. So we're gonna let this dry real quick. Alright guys, so our shirt is completely dry, and now we're about to add the words channel and the smiley face back onto the shirt. And I had an extra piece of vinyl cut out, so I'm just gonna put this on. And guys, so you can see the new vinyl went right back onto the shirt. And let me get up close to show you guys that it's like not falling off. It looks like you never messed up the shirt. So it doesn't look like anything was removed. We got our smiley face. We got the word channel. This is it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and I will link the VLR in the description box. Thank you guys for watching.